In this video, we will discuss the use of Google Drive for your classroom. I will be using the Camtasia software package to record this video. Google Drive is available for free using a Google email address. If you already have a Google email address, you can access it and sign in. With Google Drive, you get up to 15 gigs for free. And that will allow you to store photos, documents, and other things. Along with storage, Google also provides a way to create documents and also share documents. The functionality is very similar to Dropbox. Dropbox and also Google Drive allow for you to share files in the cloud. This means that you can have multiple people working remotely in the same document in real time. Because this is a cloud-based system, it also allows you to share documents. You can create links as well. If you're new to Google Drive, they even have an introductory video to get you started.
Have all your files within reach from any smartphone, tablet, or computer, and now it's faster and easier to use. First,
Take a few minutes to explore Google Drive, watch the video, and I will discuss some of its additional features. As I mentioned before, Google Drive is a cloud-based system. Therefore, you can share and link with multiple people. And Google provides you with a number of ways to do this. We're going to explore just the Google Drive to begin with. In your Google Drive, you have multiple options. It's very similar to working with regular file management. When you click on the New button, you can create folders, upload files. You can also create new documents. Google Docs is essentially a Word document. Sheets is very similar to Excel. Slides, very similar to PowerPoint. You also can get forms, you can draw, and you can even create a website. For this example, I'm going to create a Google Doc. When it opens that up, it looks very similar to a Word document. You will notice, though, the functionality that you typically get in a Word document is going to be limited in Google Docs. For this example, I just started typing a possible assignment. You can name your documents using File and Rename. You'll also notice that you can publish to the web, and you can also use the sharing options. Up here at the top right, you can title it. You can email the link to other people. You can also get a shareable link. You can use the shareable link in your Blackboard course to embed the document. Because you're working in a cloud-based environment, this document is continuously saved. Because this is a cloud-based document and you have the ability to share it with others, you can also review the revision history. The number of people that you have it shared with will display over here. Each individual will be color-coded, and you'll be able to see their revisions in real time. You can select on each one of those items and see what was added by that person. This is really great for team projects, so you can go in here and review and see exactly which members of the team did what work. I'm going to return back to my main drive. I've made all the changes that I need to. Now I'm going to return back to the home page. You will now notice on my Google Docs main page that I have the history document that I was working on. You can also come back in here and create additional items. You can also create folders, and you can share whole folders with your class. I've actually done this to provide review material. In my folder, my review folder, it allows me to continuously update those documents in real time, and it will always be updated in the course. I can also share that folder with my students and have them collaborate with me and add additional documents that they find useful for review. I encourage you to take the time to explore Google Docs and the various items that are available to you and your students. These are free resources as long as you have a Gmail account. It also allows for you to store a number of files. 15 gigs does allow for a large amount of storage, and you can even create websites. I use the website option for my students to create electronic portfolios. They get a link and they share the link with me. It's just another way for students to engage in your class and with technology. I wish you happy exploring of Google Docs.